This tutorial review will show you how to fix receive contact information. To share your contact information, set up your My Card in Contact issue. To solve this issue, first of all open your contact or phone app. Then tap on My Card. And now tap on Edit. And you can add a contact poster by tapping on Add Photo. Select a poster. And now to solve the issue, you must have to enter here your phone number or a email address. And tap on Done. Once you added your mobile number or email address, now you should see the problem has been solved. So that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.